Looking for the best HVAC service company in Bozeman, Montana? Don't wait for a heating and cooling problem to ruin your day. If you own a home, it's just a matter of time before you'll need a reliable HVAC contractor to handle the repair, maintenance, and replacement of your heating and cooling equipment. Stay a step ahead of any issues by choosing a Bozeman heating and cooling contractor before you need one. Start with scheduling a yearly maintenance tune-up for your home HVAC system. This will help your equipment run at peak performance and extend the life of your equipment. Many people wonder if they should repair or replace their furnace, heat pump, or AC. It depends on the age of your equipment and the cost to fix it. If you find yourself with no heat or no AC, we'll give you options to repair or replace your equipment. And when it's time to replace your furnace, heat pump, or air conditioner, turn to the experts at Mountain Heating and Cooling. As a Trane comfort specialist and Mitsubishi approved contractor, they know exactly how to get you up and running in no time. Choosing a reliable HVAC service company in Bozeman before you need one is the smartest thing a homeowner can do. Call 406-586-4007 today.